And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a 24-hour icon. Start with a circle, use the ellipse tool, go to a 45-degree angle, press Ctrl D to copy it, give it a different color, and then reposition the copy and transform it a little bit. We want to have it thinner at the bottom right, and then gradually get thicker towards the top center, something like this. Select it, go to path and then use difference. And the red circle has to be on top of the black, so make sure that this is the case and you will get this result. Now we use a rectangle, go somewhat to the center on top and then downwards to the right. Let me give it a different color so that you can see properly. This rectangle has to be on top of the circle element as well. Select it all, path difference. To select it all you can also press Ctrl A. Now create a triangle with the polygon tool, use 3 corners. Hold Ctrl when I drag and rotate that. Maybe I size it down a little bit. So hold Shift and Ctrl when you have to resize it yourself. Make sure that it's somewhat in the center of our circle line. We can use a guide to help us. Press Ctrl R if you can't see rulers. But this should be fine. Select it all once more, then go to Path and Union. You can rotate it by double clicking on it. Now we use the Type tool and type in 24. And again, if you have to resize it, hold Shift and Ctrl. Let me use a color combination that I like. Maybe something like this. But I want to make the font, so our 24 a little bit thicker. And I can simply do that by going to Object, Fill and Stroke. I give it a stroke paint. Then I go back to Stroke Style Width and increase the width. Now I make sure that the width has the same color as our fill, and now it looks thicker. Select it all, Ctrl G to group it, and you've got your 24 icon created in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.